Nilesh, that people are actually looking at the long-term time frame and not really getting into a panic despite the sharp sell-off that we have seen today, and are actually looking at building their long-term portfolios, making use of the sharp dips that we are seeing in the markets. Where do you think the opportunity is lying for investors, long-term investors especially, to put in money today?
Absolutely, Sakshi. So this is a much more matured thinking now we are witnessing in the Indian people now. So investors are definitely wants to use these opportunities. But as I mentioned at the beginning, the market sentiments are still on a negative side. So ideally, the approach should be to buy in a staggered manner, buy in multiple tranches. So if somebody is sitting on a cash, then I would say deploy 20% or 25% today, and the time horizon should be at least more than 1 year, because these are the opportunities to accumulate quality stocks from a positional perspective. Purely from a trading perspective, we are avoiding to take any sort of long position, because we are expecting further downtick to continue. So deploy 25% at current level. If at all you see any 2 to 3% correction, then another 25% can be deployed. And the quality stock, just want to name few stocks. Sectors that should be in focus should be financials, banking, PSU banks, and also cement pack, insurance space. Avoid IT and pharma for the time being, till the time we get any more clarity, because due to this tariff war, these are the sectors that have impacted the most. So avoid pharma and IT for the time being. Focus on insurance, private sector bank, PSU bank, and also NBFC space, and also realty pack as well. Ahead of RBI policy, the focus may shift towards the rate sensitive stocks. RBI policy is the next big event to watch out for. But yes, from a positional perspective, blue chips are the better place where one should focus on.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.